And when I asked him the one thing, what love made to him in his life, he said his girlfriend love made him to become a dancer, and his parents' love made him to start this company. Toastmaster Shreyas, discovering your hidden treasure, Toastmaster Shreyas. Thank you.
Good evening, Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening.
Now imagine, will people live happily and peacefully if they succumbed to others' thoughts and opinions? Imagine living a life just to discover that you have been living just a percentage of who you truly are. What if you discover your hidden treasures, which could be more stronger, more intelligent, and filled with diverse talents? So the thing is, many people have misconceptions about themselves. They listen to what others tell them, they take up the criticisms and never move ahead in life. But once a person discovers his or her true treasure, they will get clarity. For that reason, I'll be sharing 3 key ideas that would help all of us in discovering our hidden treasures. That is self-awareness, courage, and continuous development. Moving on to the first slide, I'll talk about self-awareness, which is the first step in exploring who we truly are. Once a person is aware about their own strengths, weaknesses, and passions, they get clarity in life. Talking about myself, until grade 10, I was just focused on studies and on playing football with my friends. This was my regular routine, which was quite boring. After going to grade 11, I took the decision of joining dance classes just for the benefit of having an extracurricular activity. After joining dance classes, I learned some amazing dance moves and made a lot of friends. This created a profound impact on my life, because of which I got self-awareness about my passions and hobbies. Moving on to the second slide, I would talk about courage, which is the next step after self-awareness. We need to move out of our comfort zones to be successful. I truly admire Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, not just for his iconic pose, but also for stepping out of the comfort zone. In plenty of conferences, he said that if we have to be successful in life, we must learn to sacrifice, and also if we ever fail in life, if we don't accomplish something, that's not the end. We just have to keep going forward and focus on the right strategies and not repeat those mistakes. And the moment Shah Rukh Khan said that we need to learn to sacrifice, I actually felt that sentence which he said, and I've started implementing them. For that reason, I'm single. So moving ahead, I would say that as far as dance is concerned, I have started practicing dance regularly. I watch YouTube videos, learn from dancers, and I implement them. And besides that, I would also say that I have developed a love for b-boying. I learned some stunts. I learned hip-hop dance moves, backflips, and even handstand walks. So that's what, moving to the third slide, I would say that I have taken this courageous decision of learning b-boying, because b-boying is actually scary to perform, but it's very visually impressive to the viewers. So moving back in 2017, I'm presenting you the backflip which I had practiced way back. But I enjoyed myself after that. But it's fine, it's a learning experience, and this gave me clarity on how a backflip has to be done actually, and what not should be done while doing a backflip. So, talking about courage, I would say that once we are talented in something, we gain a particular skill. We shouldn't stop there and think that okay, we are experts in that. We should move ahead, keep practicing, and after gaining expertise in a certain domain, we must learn new skills and keep going ahead. And God knows, besides one potential or one hidden talent, when we explore more talents, we can get clarity and we can discover more treasures as well. So, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, just remember that fear is often an indication of our hidden treasures, that is, our hidden potential. And the moment we feel down in life, we should get into a deep thinking and just be calm, because God has a bright future for all of us. Over to you.
Thank you.